Mapping Earthquakes in Northern California. Part 7. Changing the map size and position. In the previous video, you learned how to represent earthquake magnitude using graduated symbols. In this video, you will learn how to change the map size and position. When you first begin to design a map layout, you should always determine the size of the page on which you will be working. In this activity, you are making a poster-size map of California earthquakes in 2017. The poster size will be 24 inches by 18 inches. You will include a main map of California and an inset map of Humboldt County. By default, ArcMap sets the page size to 8.5 by 11 inches. This is rarely acceptable, both professionally and in courses taught at Humboldt State University. In this step, you will change the page size. Then, you will change the data frame size and position on the page. From the main menu, select View, then Layout View. The data frame window immediately changes to show the page size and the data frame position on the page. Across the top and along the left, you will see a ruler indicating the height and width of the page. Currently, the page size is 8.5 by 11 inches, which is the default setting in ArcMap. The Layout toolbar may also appear floating above the map. You may dock the toolbar on top. It is important to understand each of the tools in the Layout toolbar. These tools are only active when ArcMap is in Layout view. On the left of the toolbar, you'll see a couple of tools for zooming in and out of the map layout. The icon looks like a magnifying glass over a page. These tools are sometimes confused with the zoom in and zoom out tool you previously worked with. They work in a similar fashion. Instead of zooming in and out of the data, the zoom tools on the Layout toolbar zoom in and out of the page layout. Likewise, the pan tool on the Layout toolbar will pan across the page layout and will not move the data. Next to the pan tool is the zoom to whole page tool. This tool is handy for quickly viewing the entire page layout. Take a moment to experiment with each of these tools before moving on to the next step. Next, you will change the page size. From the main menu, select File, then Page and Print Setup. Uncheck the box next to Use Printer Paper Settings. For the width, enter 24. For the height, enter 18. When you are ready, click OK. The page is now a large poster size of 24 inches by 18 inches. You can tell because the ruler along the top and the sides have changed to show the new dimensions. However, the data frame is still the default size. To change the data frame size, open the data frame properties and navigate to the Size and Position tab. Change the width and the height values so that they match the page size. Under Position, change the X and the Y to 0. Navigate to the Frame tab. Change the border to a thickness of 4.0 and change the border color to dark navy. Change the background color to light cyan. When you are ready, click OK. On the table of contents, right-click on your earthquake layer and select Zoom to Layer. You should now have a poster-sized map of the earthquakes in California. In the next video, you will learn how to create an inset map.